This is where we create the embodiment of pure performance, the Civic Type R. Yori Automobile Plant Saitama Factory features Honda's most advanced production. Civic Type R vehicles destined for customers worldwide are developed and produced in Japan by our dedicated engineers. Efficiency is key at a Honda automobile factory. Our imperative is to achieve consistent quality and supply at a reasonable cost. The Yori Automobile Plant produces compact cars, sedans, SUVs, and minivans. Producing Civic Type R here is an especially great challenge. Civic Type R has quite a different character from other Honda vehicles. The Yori Automobile Plant has always leveraged the latest in advanced automated processes. Our goal was to respect that history while conveying the essence and heritage of Civic Type R. Honda has developed manufacturing processes for highly stable front-wheel drive vehicles. Processes developed for the new 5-door Civic served as the base for production of the new Civic Type R. But there were aspects of Type R's unique specification we couldn't accommodate on this line. So we designed Type R specific processes and assembly and integrated them with the existing line. From Yori to the world, we are delivering unparalleled Honda quality in every Civic Type R. This is where we form the external panels of Civic Type R. Honda's top-level extra deep-pressed panels express the car's dynamic performance and presence. The front fenders and rear door side panels and fenders bring Type R's low and wide design to life. These are the most deeply pressed shapes to be found on any Honda. To avoid cracks, wrinkles, or warping in these panels, multiple pressing stages would normally be needed. But computer-aided engineering and simulation allow us to design and produce special molds. After hand finishing by our mold experts, they're ready for pressing Type R panels with existing equipment. Welding brings together the entire frame, affecting the integration of parts, handling stability, and the vehicle's overall appearance. This process is the foundation of Type R's dynamic performance. The welding process leverages adhesive application equipment introduced for the base model Civic. Additional adhesive is used to enhance body rigidity. While laser brazing creates an exquisite roofline, smart golden welding produces a high-precision frame. Automatic mounting machines ensure that doors, hoods, and other parts all open and close with precision. Type R customers expect both dynamic performance and uncompromising quality. The secret is leveraging Yori's core technologies, optimizing those introduced for the base model Civic. The polyurethane top coat applied to the Civic Type R body is a first for the Yori Automobile Plant. It's one of the elements that expresses the essence and heritage of Civic Type R. Implementing this top coat at Yori required careful selection of materials and considerable quality assurance attention. Honda's finest painting and coating experts were called in to ensure success. The instrument panel is a key element of the interior. The bumpers that greatly enhance the exterior design are assembled and painted with great care. Conveying Type R's dynamic performance and presence, these special bumpers also contribute to aerodynamic performance. During development, we realized that more specialized parts and processes were required than for the base 5-door Civic. We re-examined the production flow to accommodate Civic Type R processes. Integrating parts and adjusting processes, we were able to leverage the existing line. The Type R engine is from the Anna engine plant in Ohio in the US. The transmission is from the Suzuka factory in Mie Prefecture in Japan. These parts are shipped to the Ogawa plant Saitama factory, a Honda mother factory. Their engines and transmissions are integrated and delivered to Yori. This assembly process is distinct from those used for other vehicles. Interior and exterior parts, including the powertrain and suspension, are added in the final production process to complete vehicle assembly. Dedicated Civic Type R front bucket seats, aerodynamic parts that contribute to dynamic performance, and exclusive chassis parts are installed. Final vehicle assembly leverages existing processes and equipment while including dedicated assembly steps as needed. This process is key to Civic Type R's superior performance and unique presence. The new wider tires provide a major performance boost. The existing automatic tire installation equipment could only accommodate current models. Since Yori prides itself on producing a wide range of models, we chose manual installation, optimizing production cost and quality. This is the first dual-axis strut suspension the Yori automobile plant has handled. The number and weight of components and assembly structure make it significantly different from other suspensions. To honor the Civic Type R development concept, we created a new suspension production process. Two associates, positioned to the right and left, handle the entire process from start to finish. Together, they create the suspension for each car, minimizing variation. Each completed vehicle undergoes a final quality inspection. This helps ensure every customer can enjoy the essence and heritage of Civic Type R. Front and rear suspension alignment is inspected and adjusted to help ensure classic Type R handling. For optimally precise compliance with specifications, certain inspection steps are performed manually. Finally, Civic Type R automobiles are shipped to customers around the world. Our mission is to minimize production variation, which is key to delivering classic Civic Type R driving and the performance advances we've so carefully developed to customers everywhere. The Yodi Automobile Plant is the sole facility entrusted with production of the new Civic Type R. We take great pride in delivering this automobile to our customers worldwide.